In this video, I'll be showing you how to build a blogging platform using Google Opal. Google Opal is an AI tool which lets you build apps, that's web apps, and you can use them and share them on the public domain for people to use. Now, if you look at this, if you come to opal.google, just opal.google, you're going to see this platform. You will see other apps, similar apps which have been built by others. Look at this blog post writer. This is it. You can see the workflow: write outline, write post, do research, generate banner, display blog. So I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'll click on create new and I'll see create a blog post generator that researches a topic, finds relevant keywords, writes in a friendly tone, and also adds at least 2 pictures to the blog post. Each post should be at most, let's say, 600 words, and should be optimized for search engines and LLMs like ChatGPT search. So that's my prompt. I'm just going to click on enter. It will take a while for this to be generated. I'll pause the video and get back to you when it's done. And here we have it. You can see it says Blog Genius. That's the name is given it. Generate SEO-optimized engaging blog posts with relevant images instantly. So let's test it. I'll click here. I'll say write a blog post titled how to make the best sushi, whatever that is, and I'll hit on enter. It's going to take some time to do its thing. Now, mind you, this Google Opal is experimental. You can see on top of here, it says experiment. So sometimes you get these errors, but never mind, keep trying. If you get an error like this, what you do is you come here or you come to preview and you reload and then write the same thing. I can bet you may run into this error once or twice, during your experimentation. You can see it's gone ahead and given me a full blog post. This is a picture of sushi, and since I said it shouldn't be more than 500 characters, it's giving me a very short blog post of sushi, how to make sushi, the best way to make sushi. So you can share this app and you can make it public, and then you copy the link and share it to your family, your friends, and they can use it. You can use it internally in your company. So you copy this link. I want to believe that in the nearest future, Google may give us the opportunity to make this as a standalone app, which maybe you could post on App Store, Play Store, or wherever it is. So, but for now, you can just copy the link and you can share it with others. This is a very, very beautiful link. This is a very, very beautiful blog post. Now let's go ahead and look at the workflow. First of all, it says conduct in-depth. This is the research. First of all, conduct in-depth research on the provided blog topic to gather information for the post. And then the second stage says you are an expert SEO analyst, adept at identifying key terms that drive search traffic. Your task is to meticulously analyze the provided research summary and extract a comprehensive list of relevant SEO keywords directly to the blog topic. And it says you go identify the keyword list, review research summary. Then you are a friendly and engaging blog post writer, skilled at transforming research into compelling and SEO-optimized content. You see steps: read, write a paragraph. After writing, does it exceed 600 words? And then you come, it says you're an expert AI image prompt generator. So each of these has its role. Then this is where to create the image, and this puts everything together. And then we have this, and then this is the console. You can see all of what this is a summary of everything that is happening, every single thing. So it goes through um, and it references a number of websites in order to get this, and then it identifies keywords. It identifies keywords, who made sushi, all of this. So you could also make this, turn this into a keyword research tool. You could create a keyword research tool using this. And if we go to step, so these are the steps. You can change the theme here. Let's say you don't like this theme. You can change the theme from here. Randomize is going to randomly change that. I'm not going to wait for that to happen. I'll just X out of that if I can. It appears I can't, but you get the point. So that's how to create a tool using Google Opal. I advise that you use this to the best of your abilities. So it's the change here is not very um it's not very prominent. You can generate your own theme using AI, and it's going to generate, and you can see it on the front end. So if you got any value out of this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it. God bless you. Peace.